investment accounts that have compound interest. Now, what is even compound interest? Basically, this means your money earns either on a daily basis or a monthly basis, but I always prefer an account that earns your money on a daily basis. For example, if you decide to invest 50,000 and today you made 5 shillings out of the 50,000, being general and just giving an example, kesho ikianza kuhesabu itaanza kuhesabu from 50,000 plus the 5 shillings. Interest on interest, that's your main focus. Okay, so what are the examples, or where can you invest where they have compound interest? So we have different investment plans, so kindly do your own research, do your own due diligence, so that before uamue unaweka pesa mahali, you know what it entails and if it's actually worth it, na kama pia itakusaidia to achieve your financial goals. So we have like the money market funds, we have like the bond plus, the Imarika. So basically I'm just mentioning what I have personally invested in and the company I have partnered with that makes sense to me because of the safety net that they have for my investments. That is also what you should be focusing on. Mwaka iko karibu kuisha, you guys. Kama mchezo 2024 ndio hii. Umeachieve anything? Zile goals ulikuwa umeset, umeachieve anything? Na kama umeachieve part of it, congratulations. Kama bado, this is the time now. Hata sisi now, jana. So anyway, I hope you have learned. I hope, okay, you guys, you need to take action. You really need to take sahi. As young as you are, as old as you are, it's now. Okay? I'll be seeing you next time. Bye.